Hello students. In the chapter Agriculture and Livestock, you have learned about the food crops, and you have learned about the cash crops, you have learned about kharif crops, rabi crops, and the oilseeds, the millets, then spices. This it had been completed in the previous class. Now, in this class you will learn about the development in agriculture, that is given on page number 67. So development in agriculture, और you can say the growth in agriculture, कृषि में जो विकास या जो भी परिवर्तन या जो भी चेंजेस आए हैं आज के जनरेशन में एज कम्पेयर इन द एशियन टाइम्स, we will learn about this. We will figure out all the changes or the growth in agricultural sector that has been taking place since many years. So in ancient times, farmers used animals and simple tools like plows, sickles, spade, etc. in farming. Irrigation was also done manually. What does it mean? It means that farmers used, पुराने टाइम पे जो farmers हैं, जो कृषि हैं, वो किसका इस्तेमाल करते थे? Animals and simple tools like the sickle, spade, कुदाल हो गया, etc. in farming. So sickle, that was used for the harvesting or for cutting of the crops, and irrigation was also done manually. Irrigation means सिंचाई का जो कार्य होता था वो भी इंसान ही करते थे या जो किसान है वही करते थे. A lot of changes have happened in the agriculture sector over a period of time. A lot of changes means big changes there as compared with the ancient time and now in the modern generation. There is a lot of changes in the field of agricultural sector. Many modern machines are used by farmers these days. Modern machines and tools are also used by the farmers. So in the ancient times, farmers used to do their work manually and with the help of some simple tools. Okay, there were no like big machines or the high quality of tools or the machines for the cultivation, for the harvesting of the crops. But in modern time, these machines are easily available and are used by the farmers these days. And the farmers are being also provided with and they are being also educated, or they are being also trained so highly that how to produce or how to cultivate the crops with the help of these modern tools and techniques, so that it can help in the growth of agriculture and for their livelihood also. Then the government is bringing out various schemes to help them. So there are various schemes and training programs that are being conducted by the government for this, the farmers in the agricultural sector. Loans with very low interest rates are made available to them to buy lands and equipments. So loan भी provide करती है government and with low interest rate जो है वो उसमें बहुत ही कम है, and so that the farmers they can buy the equipments or the tools that will help in the irrigation and cultivation and harvesting of their crops. The cooperative societies of a region generally take care of these needs of the farmers. So there are different cooperatives and societies in the villages, and they help to take care of the needs of the farmers. That is, the farmers what they require, or the requirement of the farmers are being looked over by this cooperative societies in the villages. In order to educate the farmers about the changing trends in agriculture sector, the government often conducts workshops. So in order to educate the farmers means and about the changing trends in agriculture, because in the modern generation there are different changes or regarding the techniques and regarding the tools and regarding the HYVCs, proper education is required. So the government is also conducting workshops or the training program. So farmers are using high variety seeds, fertilizers, insecticides what they are using? They are using high yield varieties of seeds. So and fertilizers, and for killing insects, the insecticides; for killing the pest, the pesticides. They have also replaced plows and animals with tractors and combined harvesters for quick and easy plowing and harvesting. So they have also replaced plows and animals. That is, in the ancient time, पुराने टाइम में जो बैल होते हैं वो जुताई के कार्य में काम आते थे, right? And the harvesting, फसलों की जो कटाई है वो हाथों से सिंपल टूल के द्वारा की जाती थी, लेकिन ये सब सारे रिप्लेस्ड हो गए हैं and they are being replaced with the tractors and the combined also you have seen in the villages. They are used in the harvesting or cutting of the crops. So all these changes were brought about in 1970 by a movement which had made India self-sufficient in food production. So all these changes, जो भी changes है आप अपने गांव में भी देखते हैं कि जो फसलों की कटाई होती है वो मशीन से होती है या कंबाइन से होती है, राइट? People don't use or don't go manually for the harvesting or the cutting of the crops. Irrigation, जो सिंचाई का काम है वो भी पंप से होता है, राइट? विद द हेल्प ऑफ द पंप्स. पहले के जमाने में वो कुएं से या वेल के थ्रू किया जाता था. So these are the basic changes in the modern period in the agriculture sector. So these changes they were brought in 1970 के दौरान ये कुछ changes आए थे, and this movement is known as the Green Revolution. Green Revolution जिसे हम हरित क्रांति कहते हैं या थर्ड एग्रीकल्चर रेवोल्यूशन, ओके, और थर्ड एग्रीकल्चर रेवोल्यूशन और ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन, हरित क्रांति, and this was brought by M.S. Swaminathan in the year 1965. So what are the features under this green revolution? Under this हरित क्रांति के दौरान क्या क्या इसके अंदर कार्य हुए थे? For the development of the farmers and the crops, they were HYV seeds. That is the availability of the HYV seeds. HYV seeds means high yield varieties of seeds were being provided to the farmers. Okay. And secondly, correct use of fertilizers. जो fertilizers होते थे या insecticides या pesticides होते थे, उनकी मात्रा कितनी होनी चाहिए फसलों में, उसके बारे में उनको एजुकेट किया जाता था. Now increase in food production and in the increase in, that is the increase in the quantity of food crops. They were also being done with the help of this modern means of techniques and tools under this green revolution. So it played a very important role in the economic sector as well as in the agricultural sector. So this was about the green revolution. Now the next topic is livestock. We learn about livestock, the animals which are used, okay, for our profit. So animal rearing, जिसे हम पशुपालन कहते हैं, that is domesticating. What is animal rearing? It is given here. That is domesticating and looking after animals has been a vital part of our agricultural activity. Domesticating means the animals that are raised for profit, like they are kept basically as pet in our home, so that with the help of these animals we can earn some profit. So these animals क्या क्या आते हैं इसके अंदर, like the cows, buffaloes, because we get milk from the cows, buffaloes, then sheep, we get wool from the sheep, then camels. These are some examples that comes under this domestic animals. Cows, buffaloes, goats, oxen, camels, sheep, horses, donkeys, mules and dogs are important domestic animals. So if I am asking you few examples of domestic animals, what would you reply? You would reply, a few domestic animals are cow, buffalo, sheep, goat, camels, etc. So they are useful to you, to us and serve us in many different ways. So these animals they play an important role in our life. Now the second topic is under this livestock is cattle. So what are cattle? The term cattle comes under this cattle category. Okay, so animals or cattle give us milk products such as curd, cheese and butter are important parts of our food. That is ये दूध हो गया, दही हो गया, चीज़ हो गया या बटर हो गया, ये हम अपने रेगुलर रूटीन में लेते हैं. So milk is very important for us. Bulls and oxen are used to plough the field. What are the use of these two animals? That is the bulls and the oxen. They help in plowing the field. जुताई के कार्य में ये काम आते हैं. Oxen, horses and bulls are also used to pull carts in order to carry goods to the market. There are few villages or very rare villages that are still following this type of agriculture, or the use of these bulls and oxen are still done in some part or somewhere in some villages still today. Pull carts, that is बैलगाड़ी जिसे हम बुलक कार्ट कहते हैं, which is used for carrying goods, सामान ढोने और लोगों को एक स्थान से दूसरे स्थान पर पहुंचाने के काम में आता है. Ships are used to provide us wool. So हमें wool कहाँ से मिलता है या ऊन कहाँ से मिलता है? शिप से. Camels are used to carry goods and people from place to place in the desert region. So camels. Camel is the shape of the desert, right? So camels, they help us to carry goods. सामान ढोने के काम में आते हैं and लोगों को भी एक स्थान से दूसरे स्थान पे पहुंचाते हैं in the desert area of the region. In our villages, farmers occupy themselves in both agriculture and animal rearing simultaneously. Simultaneously means एक साथ. That is the occupation of both agriculture. कृषि और जो पशुपालन है जो एक साथ करते हैं, इस ऑक्यूपेशन को या इस जॉब को या इस प्रोफेशन को हम क्या कहते हैं? मिक्स फार्मिंग. सो व्हाट इज मिक्स फार्मिंग? मिक्स फार्मिंग इज द फार्मिंग that is being done by the farmers in the field of agriculture and animal rearing both. Animals waste is used as manure for the land and farm waste in the fodder for animals. So animal waste means the cow dung. What we get, that is the cow dung. Then cow dung is used as manure, खाद के लिए उपयोगी होता है. And cow dung is also used in the production of biogas. Biogas भी बनता है. And biogas, which is a renewable and cheap source of energy. So biogas is renewable, that is replaced. इसे हम बार-बार बना सकते हैं जो बायोगैस है. सो इट इज रिन्यूएबल एंड चीप मीन्स सस्ता भी है. एंड इट इज द चीप सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी. Agriculture and livestock together add to the progress of our country. So first of all, farm waste. What are the farm waste? Farm waste are the unwanted waste. That is after the harvesting in the field or in the farm you have seen. जब फसलों की कटाई हो जाती है तो कुछ पार्ट इसमें रह जाते हैं. दैट इज द farm waste and that is used by the animals as fodder. That is animals they use for eating that. That is the fodder for animals. Cow dung is used in villages to produce biogas. And agriculture and livestock together add to the progress of our country. That is agriculture and livestock both. That is the animals and the agriculture. They play an important role in our country or in the progress of our country or in the economic sector of our country. So these two are very important in our life. So in the next class we will learn chapter number 10. Thank you students.